There we go. Here we are, once again, playing Minecraft, drinking soda, and dodging this little group of pillagers that always seem to be hanging out around my house. Oh my gosh. And battling creepers across the bridge. I saw you, creeper. Don't pretend like I didn't see you. I don't have a bow. Oh gosh. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. I swear if you blow up my bridge. Yeah. Get out of here. This is my bridge. This is my home. Okay. We have got some work to do today. First thing I want to do is... Dang, is that game loud to you guys? Oh, it's just loud for me. There we go. Alright. Got some things sorted. Dang, we've got a lot of logs up here that we need to take. Let's take all of these logs with us, all of this wood. Well, we'll leave a stack up here just to... No, we don't. There's trees outside. We're taking all of this stuff, okay? Because here's the thing. Why is there marble? I don't need marble. What is marble used for? Hold on. I think it's just a stone replacement. Marble. Cave crystals. I don't know what that is. Make a printer. Yeah, so it's basically just a replacement for smooth stone. Yeah, see, so we can make like stone swords. Oh, it's like cobblestone and smooth stone. That's kind of cool, actually. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. Okay. We've got some stuff to do today. First thing I want to do is grab some sticks. Do I have any sticks up here? Here's a bundle of sticks. Stick stack. Do we have any leather? Let's make a couple more of these. So I can put my golden sword there. Just pretty sweet. I plan to clean all this stuff up later. I need to go put all this stuff back in my proper chests. Let's go ahead and take these down. Do I not have an axe with me? Really? There we go. I had one in there. Oh. Also here. Luke, welcome back, man. How are you? Hello, hello. Welcome back, welcome back. I appreciate you guys hopping in so early. It's pretty cool. Alright. How are you doing today, Luke? I hope you're doing well. I forgot we needed to go do this. We have a lot to do today. I'm trying to hurry up. It's already 7:30 p.m. Jump down. Perfect. Okay. Here we go. Oh, that's right. This is what I was working on. So yesterday we had the auto tree farm, right? It's still working. Oh, I forgot. We got to relaunch Xchop every time we load back into the game. So he's looking for... Oh my gosh, look at all the saplings he has. All right, let's clear these out. I really need to fix this. Alright, so here's the thing. Yesterday we worked on good. Yes? Okay, awesome. I'm glad you're doing well. I made this thing. It's kind of stupid. It doesn't do what I thought it would. I thought it was going to be more active. It definitely is not more active. So what I'm going to do is turn this thing off for now. And we're going to get rid of some of this stuff here. Get rid of this, get rid of that. I modified this a little bit to make it more efficient, right? So, you know, like before there was a chest here and stuff, but I was able to shorten up the pipes by putting in a hopper here instead. And then, because the turtle can still put things into the hopper, it'll put things in the hopper and send it off instead of putting like a double chest and having to be all weird. Okay, and also if, you know, saplings drop now, they won't just, you know, land on top of the chest and do nothing. They'll actually get transported. Speaking of which, let's go ahead and do that. Just throw all that in there. Actually, throw all the logs. I mean, this is why we built this thing. Ooh, we don't have a filter for spruce logs, or do we? I don't think we do yet, so let's not throw those in there. Oh, no, the logs. Oh, it's full. They'll go in soon. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that is crazy to watch. Let's go watch them work. Look, there they go. Into the sorter. And down into the chests full of apples and saplings. Man, I love this thing. Okay, so what we had here was a bone meal generator, right? And I was trying to make this little farm up here to farm and like give us oh crap, to farm and give us some what am I trying to say, bone meal. But it's super slow, not worth it. We're getting rid of this stuff. Took me forever to get this freaking sugar king too, which was kind of annoying. But that's okay. Let's just use some. Oh, why did I do that? It's only one source block. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of this thing. Oh, I don't have a shovel. We're gonna go craft a shovel. We're gonna get rid of that thing, and we're going to move our turtle here, CB00. We're gonna move him over there, just closer to the storage. I think it's a lot of hoppers to move. Now let's do it. Actually, what do you guys think? Where do you think we should move the tree chopping machine? All of this is coming down, so ignore this stuff for now. Let's actually craft ourselves a new shovel. Oh my gosh, am I running low on iron? No. I have iron over here somewhere. Okay. All of this is coming down. This was a waste of time. I did this after the stream last night, and shortly after I made it, thinking, yes, this will have, because I was gonna let it run overnight. And I was like, yeah, this is gonna have a ton of bone meal in the morning. It had like nothing. So we're taking this down because the thing was, it generates it so slow that it makes more sense to just create it a different way. It being gosh, sorry, I'm freaking losing my mind. Being bone meal near the machine so it can be almost instant. Okay, good idea, good plan, thank you. That's what we're going to do. The reason I ask is because we've got other machines that we're going to build later on, but I think you're right. For now, let's just have this thing close, and we'll go from there. And in fact, we need to take some dimensions. Okay. First, let's go and get this all chopped down. So I did let the machine run overnight though, while it was creating some bone meal. See, what I was thinking was that it was going to run all night. It was going to be, you know, throwing bone meal into the machine. It was going to, you know, the tree was going to grow really quickly and all this stuff. And then I was like, yeah, and then we'll wake up and we'll have, you know, a ton of extra bone meal as well. No, that was not the case. We had 0 bone meal because this thing, the dispenser that was here, was spitting out the bone meal so fast that it was spitting out way faster than we could generate it, like way faster. But it was super late last night, and I just made the machine and said, okay, I'm going to bed, and let it run overnight. So downside, or upside, is we've got a lot of wood and stuff. What's that? I'm back. I need to set up a hotkey to mute my mic when people come and ask me things. I got a milkshake. Delicious. What was I saying? We have a ton of logs somewhere. Look at this. Look at all these logs. The thing is, that was ran overnight, which was like, to be honest, by the time I went to sleep, it was only about 5 hours. But we also streamed for... Did you see that? Did something fall? Oh, that would be hilarious. I wonder if something fell down that. Okay. What I'm trying to say is that's not a lot of wood to be generated overnight, plus the however long we streamed yesterday. But I got that from doing nothing. I was literally asleep and we got, you know, wooden logs. So the point is not that we get a ton of it very quickly, but that we get some at all for basically no work. So, or no constant work. So here's the thing. Crafting table, yeah. We're gonna build some chests. Build some spruce ones. I love that you can build them with the logs and it gives you the 4. That's so awesome. So let's put some extra stuff over here. This is just temporary storage, right? Just like some wood and stuff like that. I'm getting rid of the cobblestone. I don't need this much cobblestone. Alright, so we have some bone meal, sugar cane and stuff. Let's put some stuff over here. So this is a part of the Quark mod, these glass shards here. Basically it makes glass more like glowstone, and like the way you break it, you get glass shards, and then you can craft some back, but you still lose some, you know? So I really like that. Alright, let's store everything that we have in here. I'm talking like everything. Oh, there was the rest of our wood stuff. Oh well. What do we have in here? Store. Oh, go back. Dispensers, observers, put them in there. voltmeter and stuff needs to go back in here. I'm running low on wire. I crafted a ton of that. Unless I have some somewhere else. Okay, so hold on. I like that because I break my windows all the time. Dude, me too. I love that. And it means, I mean, you can still use, you know, a silk touch pick or whatever. All right, so here's the thing. Oh gosh, we're missing pieces. I want to drop all this down, but the problem is we need to figure out what dimensions we need these hoppers, and I want to make it clean. So if that means we have to edit a little bit of code, I'm willing to do it. Because here's the thing. One, two, three, four, five. Dang it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a 5x5 right here that we could dig down at least one block to put all of these hoppers like level with the ground and put this redstone clock down and other things like that. So let's see. We could also try and fix that as well. But the thing is, this is bigger than 5x5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6x1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Essentially a 6x6. Nope, we're turning that into a 5x5. I don't even care. We're turning it into a 5x5 because I've got an idea. All right. I have got an idea. Let's go ahead and dig out this 5x5. This is where we're going to have it. Okay. So we have some extra room to play with too. So what we're going to do is we're going to have this grass or this dirt block in the dead center, which means, and we can actually have it a little lower. So this would be the dead center. So we can have the sapling grow here. The turtle would be here, right? That would be the turtle. So then he could turn around. This would be going out. Yep, that's totally what we're going to do. So here's the deal. Let's get rid of all this. We need to figure out the best way to pipe into the turtle. Because, like I said, the turtle's going to be sitting here, right? But the problem is we're using item pipes from the Quark mod. And here's how they work. So let's say... let's say this block of dirt is the turtle, right? We want to pipe items into the turtle, right? So we could do it a couple of ways. We could have a pipe going in like this. That would give him items, right? Then we could do... or we could do something like this, where the hopper would just give him items. And then we'd have to, you know, make the hoppers go like this or whatever. And that may be a better option because, look, over here, what I was doing was piping it in the bottom. Because the hoppers were level with the dirt block, but here the dirt block sits down one. So what we could do, if this is, you know, again, this dirt block is the turtle, right? We could just do this, and that'll let us clean up all of this here. What do you guys think? I think that would probably be our best bet. Oops. So sapling would be here. definitely going to be the best bet. Alright, let's actually go up here and stop piping things. Best idea. Thanks. Okay. Alright. So, turtle, you get a break, but you get a break, buddy. Stop it. Listen. Don't stop planning it. Don't do it. Haha, you're out of saplings. Okay. Alright, let's leave that for now. And don't worry, we'll clean all that up for sure. So that's another thing. I need help deciding what I want the floor to be, because I don't know how I feel about it being stone and bedrock. Like, I kind of want it. I want to see if there's a block that blends in with bedrock better or something. Let me know what you guys think. I thought about doing like gravel. I love gravel in this game, but I don't know. Just something to replace all of the stone with, or at least some. Like, we can make a design or something, but I just don't like, I don't know. It just doesn't seem right. I feel like there's a better option for a design here. Okay. We don't want to pipe anything into this one. Yeah, because we don't want anything to bypass the turtle. Except for, actually no, well, saplings can, which we'll get to that in a moment. But if we do this, sapling would be here. So we're losing some coverage if we do it this way, though. Let's get this out of the way to avoid confusion. The sapling would go here. In fact, here. That's not a sapling. Oh, it's in my inventory. Why did I didn't see that. Okay. Sapling will go there. Well, the problem is now, though. So this was sapling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to have a block coming out directly above the sapling, so that basically we're making sure that the tree only grows 4 blocks tall, 4 blocks of wood. And in order to do that, you have to have let's see, so we're looking in terms of vertical. We need, so that would be 1, we would say 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait a sec. Oh, wait. So sapling would be here in front of the turtle. So this would be 1 block above, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the ceiling. So if we were to do it this way, this would be ceiling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need, is this right? Would it be like that? Oh, we could just do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that would be 5. I don't know if I don't like this. I don't like having 2 inputs to the turtle, because if we ever need to stop the flow of items into the turtle, that means we have to break 2 different hoppers. So let's just do it this way. Let's have them all go into the right hand side of the turtle. This resource pack, by the way, It's a part of the Vanilla Tweaks resource pack that you can customize, but it adds arrows to show which way the hoppers are pointing. This is a must-have, in my opinion. For this exact reason. Imagine how difficult it would be to know where each of these hoppers were going without these arrows. Okay. So I think we're ready. Come on, Cebu. Give him some saplings. Alright, so now he's just going to sit and watch for this thing to grow. Can you not place? I could have swore you could place torches on there. We are going to need some light, so... Go. Oh, is it too dark here now? It was too dark. Let's remove these. Check F7. Nothing could spawn there, but we'll get rid of that. We don't need that. Turn off F7. Okay. So now the turtle will still continue to run its code. It'll, when this grows, in fact, let's see if we're lucky with 4 pieces. Sorry, I left my internet cut. Oh, no problem, man. No problem at all. Welcome back. Come on. Ah, it doesn't grow. Okay, let's get some more bone meal. Well, I guess we can make some out of a stack of potatoes. No, I know exactly what we can make some out of, because this is what I was going to tell you guys. Okay. So we discovered last night that we could just use the excess saplings from here. Oh no, I just realized. We would have to put... Oh, this would work. We have to put the dispenser. Let's get the dispenser while we're thinking about it. Which way is it? Faces me or faces away? Oh my gosh. No. Come here. Thank you. Okay. Is it like that? Oh my goodness. Is it like this? Yes, okay. So there we go. See, I kind of want to add another row of hoppers, but the thing is now, you know, we can't go all the way around because of this. So I may just have to deal with this for now and see what we can do. Okay. We'll wire that up later. For now, let's build ourselves a quick composter, auto composter. Also, I hope you guys are liking the frequency of streams. I've been trying to stream more frequent, like I was saying yesterday, because I want to, I finally just want to make something of the stream. I've had this stream for years, like 4 or 5, maybe 6 years. And I've gone like in and out, right? Like, I'll do a ton of streaming for a bit, and then I stop doing streaming like altogether. Then I'll do 1 or 2 streams, but no one shows up, so then I'm like, I'll just not stream for a while. You know, nobody's gonna watch or whatever. But I just don't want to be that way anyway. Because I realize you can't, people can't come and watch the stream if you're not streaming. You know what I mean? So I am good. I'm glad. Yeah, like, and I talked to my coworker Infinite Boom. He's played on, he's been on the stream, like in the chat and stuff. He's a moderator, I think. But he's got 2 kids, and he's going through some like family stuff right now. So he's not been playing a whole lot. But anyway, I've been talking to him, and I keep telling him, like, man, I just want to do something with the stream. Like obviously I'm here just for fun, right? Like there's no like hidden agenda behind this. Like, I like playing the games. I play games a lot anyway. And so I thought, why not share my experiences with other people, right? Oh no. Oh gosh, don't touch that. That's electrified. If we touch that, we'll get electrocuted. Unless... oh no, how do we get out? I didn't... oh. Onto here, up here. Oh yeah, there we go. Spider-Man. Okay. Reach, yeah. Sometimes I wish. I think there is some mod pack stuff where you can get like a further reach or whatever, where you could reach further. But actually, I need to check up here. Is this too dark up here? No. So I've been talking to him, and I just, I want to do something with the stream. Obviously I'm just here for fun, but I want to pour more time into it. Basically, I want to be able to set up a schedule, right, and stick by it. The problem is that's really difficult because for a few reasons. In all honesty, one of the reasons is that I kind of get nothing in return for it. And I don't want this to sound weird. Like, I don't want to be like, oh, pay me money, or oh, give me follows, or whatever. It's nothing like that. But I'm just trying to give it a couple reasons. So that's one of the reasons, right? Oh, dang it, this is frustrating. These pipes. So it's hard to pour a lot of time and effort into something when, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? When you don't get something in return for it. Which I'm not saying I want something in return in order to keep streaming. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying, so, for example, I have a job. Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 job. That's just what I do for a living. I work in IT. And, at the end of the day, or the end of the week, I guess, I've spent a lot of time working that job, and I can have something to show for it. So, let's put it this way. Let's say my boss, right? Or maybe not even a family member, my mom, right? She's like, hey, can you come over to the house on, Thursday so we can have some lunch, right? If I say, sorry, Mom, I'm streaming, right? To her, that would be like, sorry, Mom, I would rather play video games. You know what I mean? Like, obviously, to me, it's more than that. It's more than just me playing video games, right? It's me talking to you guys, having conversations, again, sharing the experiences. But to her, right, me saying, hey, I'm streaming, just means, oh, you're playing video games? Okay. And it's the same for, like, friends or my boss, right? Hey, Devin, that's my name. Can you go into the office real quick and do something on the server. There's something broken, right? Even if I had a schedule, honestly, I'd probably still have to do that. But like with a schedule, it's hard for me to set a schedule, right? When I can't say no to stuff like that, because at the end of the day, if I tell a person who doesn't know what streaming is about, right, that I'm streaming, they're just gonna think, oh, you're playing video games, right? Instead of having lunch with your mom or whatever. But now, so let's change that. Let's say I start to tell people, hey, one of my like sources of income, right, is streaming. If I became a Twitch partner, I'm an affiliate right now, which is awesome, and I'm super thankful for it. But let's say I became a partner, started getting a little bit of ad revenue or whatever, all that kind of stuff. And I could say, hey, actually, I'm a little bit busy. And I'm not trying to like find ways to avoid hanging out with my mom. I don't want it to sound like that's what I'm talking about. But it's more just like, me personally, I can't put too much effort into streaming because at the end, like, I just don't, I can't show anything for it. You know what I mean? But that doesn't mean that I don't want to stream. Obviously, I'm still going to stream whether I have 0 viewers or 100 million viewers, right? The point of streaming is not to get money or to get views or anything like that for me. It's just to stream. Like, I've put it this way so many times. I would be playing this game anyway, so why not share my experiences and hang out with other people while I do it? Like, I would have, 10 years ago, or we'll say like 8 years ago, I would have came home and I would have been playing Minecraft by myself right now. I'd be like, wow, isn't this cool? And then I would like tell my friend about it. But now I can be like, man, you should have seen it on the stream last night. We did this. And sorry, I've seen you. Yeah, it's your half. Really fun job. Either I feel sad that I say no to my mom because I'm posting on my YouTube channel. See, and that's the thing. So, I guess my mom's kind of, it's kind of a good example, because like, and I'm not trying to say it's like I'm trying to not hang out with my mom, right? I love my mom. I love hanging out with her. But the point is, if someone asks you, hey, buddy, do you want to come hang out tonight or whatever, right? And you said, sorry, I'm working, right? They would totally understand, right? But if you said, no, sorry, I'm streaming, right? They're going to say, oh, you're playing video games, so you can't hang out with me. You know what I mean? But if I was saying, oh, sorry, I'm working, which would imply that I'm making some sort of income from what I'm doing, right? They would be like, oh, okay, no problem. Understandable. You know what I mean? So I guess that's a good way to put it. So, and that's basically why it's really difficult to have a schedule, even though my work schedule, for the most part, is pretty stable, for the most part. Like, for example, I have to stay late Wednesday night at work, so I'll have to stay a little bit later, maybe an hour or two, maybe 3, I don't know. But, so that's a part of it, though, right? I can't just, should we have elevated this? No, because then we'd have to chop into the ceiling. Excuse me. Because, even though my, like I was saying, work schedule is pretty set for the most part, it's still hard for me to set a schedule because someone might want to do something, right, and pull me away from my computer. And if I say, sorry, I can't because I'm playing video games, right, I'm streaming, to them it's the same thing. They probably won't even know what streaming is. But, it's just, so it's really difficult. Like, I guess a really good example would be to, like, if I was hanging out with someone, right? Someone's like, hey, you want to come and get some food with us? And I'm like, oh, sorry, I'm streaming. they just totally probably wouldn't understand. But if I were to say, sorry, I'm working, they would, be like, oh, okay, no problem at all, So I guess that's a good way to put it. And that's just a roundabout way of me saying that in order for me to be able to put everything that I have into streaming, eventually I'm going to have to show something for it. It's kind of just what that's saying. But don't get that confused. Don't think that, one, I don't want to stream, or two, that I only want to stream for money. That's 100% not the case. If that was the case, I wouldn't be here right now. But oh, there we go. I know what we need. We need to put levers here so we can cut off redstone flow of any given pipe. What's going on? Oh, it popped out down there. So if I only wanted to stream for money, I wouldn't be here right now. So, I don't want you to think that's the case. But I do want to be able to put more into my streams, right? Have a schedule, have, special events that go on, be able to say, okay, this week we're playing this game and this week we're playing this game, or, this day of the week we're playing this game, whatever, have like, so I talked about this earlier today. I'm planning on, and we talked about it a bit yesterday, I'm going to start uploading my videos to YouTube, probably in 10, 15 minute clips, maybe more like 20, or I'm just trying to think of how long someone would want to sit and watch a YouTube stream. Oh no, this does happen. Okay, we need to test this. Hold on. We need to see if this burns while we wait. I want to upload this and make a playlist, let's see. If my friend said that, I would understand completely. Right, see, that's the thing. I don't have any friends that play video games like I do. And when I say that, I mean I have... am I going to say this on stream? I'm going to say this on stream. I have 400 games in my Steam account that I've said on stream before, but my best friend lives in a different state than me. He one day sent me a picture of a calculator, on his computer. So that does still catch on fire because of the lava. That's interesting. I wonder, how can we get around that? He sent me one day a picture of a full calculator with a ton of calculations, additions, and I'm like, what the heck is this? And he yes! Oh, it's working, but let me check something. Dang. He sent me a picture of a calculator, one day, where he had calculated all of the playtime that I had on only Steam games, right? Only my Steam games. He calculated that I had spent 364 days in a video game. Or in all of my video games combined. Only on Steam. Keep in mind, this game, Minecraft, the game that I've played more of than any other game in my entire life, is not on Steam. Meaning, that's not even a fraction of my... And I have spent over a year of my life sitting in a chair playing a video game. And I'm totally 100% okay with that. I'm pretty proud of it, honestly, because... Let's say you like working on cars. Can you say that you've worked on cars for a year of your life? Let's say you like, doing whatever you like doing, right? Cooking. Can you say that you've cooked for a total of one whole year of your life? Basically, what I'm saying is, he told me or he showed me with the calculations that I had spent a year of my life doing what I love. 100% what I love. The number one thing, right? Hobby that I enjoy doing so much. And I did it for I've spent an entire year of my life. So other people are like, oh my gosh, you're crazy, dude. Get a life. Dude, I have a life. And it's great because I've spent it doing what I love. Like, that's the whole point. So, you know, the only side to that now is if someone else, you know, asks me about it, right? Yes, and you love it. Exactly. But if someone else asks me about it, right? Someone outside of my friend circle, you know, don't know them, walking down the street or, you know, whatever. Someone says, you know, if you could look at somebody's timeline of their life, they would look at mine and be like, well, you know, what's this whole year of area that you have? And I would say, oh, that's me playing video games, right? That's going to turn some heads. But then if someone says, well, you know, what do you have to show for it? That's when I would lose them 100%. Like, I can give them the whole spiel of like, oh, well, I love video games and I spend so much time playing them and yada, yada, yada. And to me, that's the most important part. But to try and explain that to someone, they just, you know, they 100% would not understand. And that's fine. Like, I wouldn't expect someone to understand because most people, or a lot of people, you know, they're here to work, right? They're here to turn a profit some way or another. Me, not so much. I'm here for fun. I'm not talking about Twitch. I'm in general, right? So it's just what I was saying was there's not many people that I know that are as passionate about video games as I am. Like, I'm telling you, you know, I don't just play games because they're fun. I play games because I want the experience. I like the thinking, right? The thought process of all of this that we're doing, right? We're literally programming. I went to college for this stuff, right? I learned C#, Python, Java. These are all programming languages. And here we're using Lua. Never used it before, but well, I had used it before in this mod years ago, before I even really knew what programming was. But the thing is, it's just, you know, I'm not just here on Twitch to make money or to become popular or famous or whatever. And I'm not here playing a game just because video game fun, right? Sorry, I bumped the mic. I'm here because there's things that we can do, we can accomplish, we can, at the end of the day, when we're done with this world, if that is ever to happen, we can look back and have something to show for it. That being our videos, right? The streams, you know, the VODs, because I save all of these and I highlight them so that way we can watch them later. And then we have the actual world itself, right? We can go and be like, oh man, you know, 5 years from now, we can walk down these same steps and go, wow, we've come a long way. So it's stuff like that, right? That's why I'm playing games, and that's why we're playing Minecraft. That's why I'm here streaming with you guys. Like, it's not just to become Twitch famous or YouTube famous or whatever that all these people seem to think streaming's about. We're here for the experience. The experiences. And those experiences are leading us into the direction of building something amazing. On Minecraft, on my Xbox, I spent 5 years on one world, right? I think streaming is about having fun. Exactly, yes. It's about having fun, talking to people. I'm, believe it or not, okay. I can talk to people in the real world because I've worked in, sorry, hold on. I need to fix my posture because if I keep doing this to lean into the microphone, my back's going to be hurting. So let's do this. There we go. I've worked in customer service like almost my whole life. Actually, my whole life until almost 2 years ago. Like 1 year and a couple months when I got my IT job that I have now. And it's, taught me how to speak to people. But I'm definitely an introvert, right? I'm not going to go out of my way to start a conversation probably ever. I just don't do that. And there's nothing wrong with doing that at all. But that's just not, it's not what I do. But you put me in front of a game that I'm passionate about, like Minecraft, Kerbal Space Program, Death Stranding, DayZ. Here, hold on, let me pop open my favorites. The Long Dark, the Metal Gear series, RimWorld, oh my gosh, Starbound, like Arcade Unchained, all of these games. You put me in front of one of these games that I'm super passionate about, which is honestly just about any game, good or bad, then I'm gonna definitely talk your ear off. And when you're here and you share that, the passion for the games, like, it's just awesome. You get to have fun. You get to conversate about, whatever it is you're doing. Because, I'm sure there's other people, tons of them, thousands of them, like me, out in the world, where it's like, your real friends, they don't like video games as much as you do. And that just depends on where you live, The friends you make around the area that you're in just may not like games. Most of the guys around here and girls, the friends that I have around here, they like watching sports. I could go the rest of my life without watching another football or basketball game. I do kind of like basketball, actually. I'm more of the type of person that would want to go watch it in public because of the experience. Like, because you get like the popcorn and like going to a baseball game, I love. You get some peanuts, some popcorn, drink some soda. All of that explains me. Right, see, there's tons of people out there, just like me, just like you. So like when you all come together into one spot, into a stream or something, it's really fun. To me, super exciting. Oh geez, oh my gosh. Can't we make insulated stuff? We need to make some progress. We haven't made any progress. Insulated low voltage. Gosh, you gotta get tough fabric. We may need to do that. We're gonna move this. And in fact, we're gonna build a water wheel. We need to get more generation, more energy. Hold on. I'm eating my milkshake before it completely melts. It's pretty melted now, actually. I can pretty much just drink it. Okay. So, that's my rant on what, why I'm here, why I'm streaming, things like that. So now, on to other things. Next, I want to work on the bone meal generator. So, what do you think, Luke? Is it Luke or Luck? Do you think... Oh, Luca. Okay. So, Luca, are you interested in me And if you're not, tell me, because honestly, I'm not really in the mood for programming right this second. But there are some things that I need to do to this code to clean it up and to make it function in a different way. Because let's see. Let's just say that we put the hopper here. Whatever. It doesn't really matter right now, right this second. So the idea would be... Oh no. Do what you want to do, and I love coding. Okay, sweet. So... Oh no. Where did this go? Do we have a loop here? This goes to here, this goes to here, this goes to here, this goes to here. Yep, here. No? Let me fix that. Maybe we did pick it up. Yeah, I guess so. All of that looks like it goes the correct way. Oh no, it doesn't. I forgot when we put that hopper there. So let me show you what I'm planning on doing, because I really don't even know how to make this code work yet, or the code that I'm gonna have to do. Dang it, I did it again. Let's put that here. This would go here. That would go there. We have 2 chests. I really not have any chests. Now we made a ton of chests, and I could have swore we made a ton of them yesterday. You did? Yeah, I could have swore I did. Do I have my hammer on me? Don't have my hammer. Okay. Oh, we wouldn't need this. Dang it. And actually, oh no, we'd have to move that too. So, dang it, I'd probably have to move it up one more or something. So, the idea would be... We'd have something like that, but I would, make it look better. And this would feed bone meal into here. And then, see this? See how he gathers these saplings? So, like, whenever to explain this, whenever the tree gets destroyed, right, it drops some saplings. So those saplings get put into here, into the turtle's inventory. Now, we could edit this, but the thing is, I don't want to do this because... Like, we could completely get rid of the hoppers and have the turtle go, oh, let me go pick up the items. Go this way, picking up items every time he moves. But every time he moves, that is taking more fuel. So the idea is he only has to move up 3 blocks, down 3 blocks, up 3 blocks, down 3 blocks. And he uses, like, very little fuel. So, for example... Each one of those 3 blocks, like one block up is 1 step, and a single coal will give him like 80 steps. So, it could go up and down a ton of times. But so that's why we have all the hoppers. But the thing is, he picks up these saplings, and he turns around and puts everything in except for the saplings. What I need to do, and let me write this we'll put it in our to-do. Pick up in saplings and sticks, we actually don't need to do. What we do need is, have turtle restore all but one sapling. Where's my deposit loot? Here it is, deposit loot. So right now he cycles. If turtle I get item, then we need to implement this new code to see if it works. Okay, we might try this. Let's try this. I don't know what this is gonna break, but we're gonna find out, okay? We're just gonna go for it. Let's get let's get rid of that for now. So this code here is a little bit different. Cycle through inventory, and if not a sapling, deposit it. So he will search through all of his inventory slots 1 through 16. I could change that, but okay, anyway. So if it's greater than 0, then if the turtle get item detail is a Minecraft oak sapling, drop it. So this is the replant. Wait. No. This is where we left off. I got cut off in the middle of me programming this the other day. Local func. Okay, deposit loot. If the turtle gets item count and it's greater than 0, then if the item detail is equal to oak sapling, then drop. So we need to fix this. We didn't put anything here. Need something here. So I was fixing this because right now, let's see if we can find this actually. If we edit X chop, we go page down, looking for log, refuel, tree dig, replant, deposit loot. So here we go. This is cool. And what coding software do you use? Over here I'm using Visual Studio Code, and I have a couple of extensions installed. These are all my extensions. I'm currently using the Tokyo City theme, but it's Visual Studio Code, VS Code. I love it. I don't think I will ever change. I used to use Sublime Text Editor, but they did some shady stuff where I think like they claimed like some percentage of your, which I guess it's not, because if you bought Sublime and didn't use the free version, but basically like a certain portion of your code didn't belong to you if you edited it in the Sublime Text Editor or something like that. This Visual Studio Code, love it. I coded in Visual Studio when I was in college for C#, and yeah, I just love it. Plus it's built in with all the Microsoft stuff, ecosystem, I think is what people are calling it. So let's see here. What am I doing here? So turtle.select, if turtle.get item count is greater than 0, this is weird. This shouldn't be right. This is supposed to say oak log. Wait. Oh. I see what it's doing. It's working on a technicality, because technically I'm saying here in this function, deposit loot function, I'm saying if turtle gets item detail Minecraft sapling, then do nothing, right? Else drop it. So what it's saying is it's going through its inventory and it says do. Let's say I have it set to sugarcane, right? It's saying, it's looking here. Oh, that's not sugarcane. That's not sugarcane. Or actually, it's saying that's not sugarcane, deposit it. That's not sugarcane, deposit it. That's not sugarcane, deposit it. And then it gets to sugarcane and it says, oh, that's sugarcane. Do nothing. That's not sugarcane, deposit it. That's not sugarcane, deposit it, right? So that's what it's saying, except for saplings. But what I want it to do is I want to change this. I want to say, if it is a sapling, then deposit all but one. And we can change that. Maybe two or whatever, just for a backup in case something happens. But so we'll have to say something like, you know, have to be another loop or something that'll say, you know, get item count, like we did here. Actually, we could do it. There's another way we could do that because we're getting the item count there. So we could say if the item count I've got an idea. We can have the turtle keep one item in its inventory of everything. Why didn't I do this before? It's never going to mine anything extra. That means when we... Hold on. Here we go. There's 4 items you get from a tree in 1.16.4 Minecraft. Those 4 items are apple, log, sapling, stick, right? Apple, log, sapling, stick. ALSS. Okay, ALS. Yeah, let's not do it. Okay. He gets these 3 things. So if we make sure he has 1 sapling, 1 oak log, 1 apple, and 1 stick, then that means, oh gosh, sorry. When he picks up, so like that means we can make it so he will keep these items in this location, so that way those items will always be in that location. Does that make sense? For example, oak sapling is right here in slot number 1. So by the way, turtles go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 16 slots. From top left to bottom right. If we, you know, he cuts down a tree, gets another sapling, it's going to go into this area. So then when he turns around, we can say, hey, if the item count of any given inventory slot is greater than 1, drop that inventory slot until it equals 1. Does that make sense? We can make him say, oh, check inventory slot number 9. Oh, there's 6 saplings in inventory slot number 9. I need to get rid of them until I only have 1 left. Oh, there's one sapling in inventory slot number 9. I'm done. Turns back around, goes back to chopping wood. That's what we're going to do. That's what we'll do. I didn't even think about that. I have him depositing everything. So then, you know, apple will be here sometimes, but then next time it might be here when he turns back around because he deposits everything. That's what we'll do. We're gonna mess with this. Let's make a copy. Xchop copy and then Xchop. Okay, let's just make a copy just in case. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to completely change this function. Or at least this loop, right? So let's just get rid of all this. All right. So if turtle.gets item count greater than 0, we have to have that one or it throws some weird error. So we have to have is greater than 0, right? For it to do anything. There's cheesecake at the bottom. Hold on. That's weird. Okay. We have to check and make sure that there's more than 0. Or it throws a weird error. So here, we can do it right here. If turtle.get item count is greater than 0 and turtle.item count is is greater than it's greater than 1. No, it's greater than 0. And greater than 1. Then in pseudocode drop item until count equals 1, right? I just downloaded Visual Studio Code so I can code. That's awesome. Heck yes. Man, VS Code's so cool. I love it. It's got so many cool plugins too. There's actually a plugin that runs a Computercraft emulator, like in Visual Studio Code. I tried it, but it wasn't working correctly. I just didn't put enough time in it to make sure it was working right. Okay. So here's the thing. I need to think of how to do this. We would have to do... We'd have to do a while loop in here. This says something like... While... Oh yeah, what am I doing? This is going to be easy. While turtle.get item count is greater than 1, drop item. Turtle dot. I'm really trying to type with this keyboard in front of, with this mic in front of me. Like, I normally don't look down at my keyboard all the time, but I do like see it in my like lower peripheral vision, you know what I mean? So, basically this is saying, look through each of your inventory slots, select each inventory slot one at a time. If the item count is greater than 0 and greater than 1, no. We don't need that. We don't need this. If it is greater than 0, then while the turtle, or while item is greater than 1, drop it. Then it'll move on. Once it's done, say all items have been deposited, and turn around. I think that function's good. Well, turtle.getItem count is less than 1. Oh wait, no. Turtle.drop. There we go. So it will keep one item, one of each item in its inventory. Let's run through all of this and make sure we've got it right, okay? We're gonna run through essentially every single line. And the way Lua works is you have to have Lua like upside down. If you're used to coding, let me put it this way. Right here we define what the function deposit loot is, right? We're saying this is the function deposit loot and this is what that function does. All the way to here, right? And down here we're calling deposit loot. If we moved this function above this, right, it'll say, oh, you want to call deposit loot? Well, what the heck is that? I haven't seen that yet. So what is it? Even though it's defined right here, this code would not run because deposit loot is being called, but deposit loot has to be defined before it can be called. And in Lua, it does line by line, meaning it literally starts from the top, goes to this line. It says that's a comment, ignore it, goes to this line. Okay, look at that. Here's a function called deposit loot. Let me remember that. This is what it does. Let's execute. Or no, it doesn't even execute it yet. It just runs through and says, this is what it does. And then it goes down here and it says, oh, wait, we're supposed to call deposit loot. Well, I remembered what that was. It was up here. So you kind of have to write these things upside down, meaning the first function that I have created is not where we need to start. It's actually the last one. So we need to go down here. So here's just the active script. This is what it does. So when we run the script for the first time, called xchop, it will skip all of this, not do anything until it gets to this line right here. Program start here. Right? So it'll say, while our fuel level is greater than 0, meaning, you know, it won't do anything if its fuel level is 0, because, like, when you first place down the turtle, actually, we can change that later. Okay, while our fuel level is greater than 0, os.sleep 0 just means that the program is going to continuously run, okay? The turtle will never sleep, meaning it will just continuously run. It will never stop, basically, until we terminate the program. So when we start, we say print looking for a log, right? But this is a while loop. Remember that. So it's going to keep saying this as long as this while loop is, you know, a thing. So it'll say looking for a log, looking for a log, looking for a log. Here's another for loop to look through our inventory, and it'll say if item count's greater than 0 and the turtle item detail name equals Minecraft sapling, then turtle.place. So it's gonna say looking for a log. Wait. Don't we have a replant function? We do. Does this give you something? No, it doesn't, but thank you. I think, what are those? I think those, are just like little points that you get from watching. Yeah, channel points is just what they're called. So it's actually a way to give you guys a little something, so like you can have your, I guess that one highlights your chat and stuff like that. So, and there's more. I get, like, I can make a custom one that says like, oh, if you get 1,000 points, I'll, you know, pull a tooth out, or, you know, whatever. So I think I can do stuff like that as well. I haven't really done anything like that, like set those up or anything, I don't think. But yeah, it's actually just a way for like you guys, I guess you earn from watching, and then you can spend them to do cool things. So I just realized that this says I have no saplings. Let's do this. I always like to do this. Debug. I have no saplings. I have 1,000 on the dot. Oh, that's awesome. Well, here we go. Pull my tooth out. That's awesome. Yeah, that would be cool to have something like that set up eventually. I just haven't done that yet. So this might be why we're getting that spam. I just realized we're spamming. This whole section just needs to be fixed. Anyway, so here we go. It'll look for a sapling and then plant it, and then it'll wait. See, we just need to plant it once originally. We need to clean this up. To do. Clean this crap up. Okay. So, down here, we have another little thing. It says local, not air. And the block turtle.inspect. Basically, what this does, it says if not air, and the block, which is the block here, which is turtle.inspect. But I could just change that to say if not air and turtle.inspect name equals Minecraft oak log, then print log detected, beginning dig. And then basically that says it'll just keep looking and it'll say, is this a log? Nope. Is this a log? Nope. Is this a log? Nope. Oh, this is a log. And it'll start chopping. You're my favorite streamer. Dude, thank you. Thanks. That actually means a lot. Thank you, dude. I just realized my camera's kind of small. Dude, thank you so much. That, no joke, that really means a lot. Thank you. I'm just glad that you're enjoying yourself and you have a place to come hang out. But yeah, so what was I saying? Oh, that's right. Here we go. So it says, oh, this is a log. Let me start my let me do tree dig, right? So then we got to go up. What the heck's tree dig? Well, tree dig's up here. There's refuel there, but tree dig's right here. So tree dig says turtle.select inventory 1. So that way we make sure things go into that inventory. I just realized it doesn't matter. No, it does matter. It does matter because he's getting items through hoppers. Yep, okay, never mind. Ignore what I was just thinking. If that makes any sense. Okay, so tree dig. So he will say, he'll select inventory slot 1. Oh, we need to change that. Inventory slot 1 needs to always be oak logs. Because he checks slot 1. Oh wait, no he doesn't. Hold on. Yeah, here we go. Turtle.select 1, turtle.refuel. We can change this. Oh no. So okay, hold on. Now I'm thinking he could use so So here's where we're running into another problem. Actually, no. When does he check for fuel? Hold on. Tree dig. Get fuel level. If fuel level is greater than 6. Turtle dig. What is this? X equals X plus 1. Why did I do that? Fuel level equals turtle dot get fuel level. Okay. If fuel level is greater than 6. Oh, okay. If fuel level is greater than 6, do this. Else refuel. So if it's greater than 6, go ahead and start digging. That's what he's doing. So he's going to dig up, or he's going to dig up, go up, dig. But he's going to do that. That's what we're doing. He's going to do that 3 times. Okay. That's this while loop here basically says dig up. It says dig forward, dig up, move up, dig forward while you are while X is less than 4, but every time it does the while loop, it adds 1 more. Okay, this works. So now, let's say it was less than 6. It would refuel, right? And refuel is defined down here. So it sets a variable called fuel level to turtle.getFuel, which is a built-in command that you can do in a turtle. And then it'll print checking fuel. It'll say on a new line, that \n just means new line. It'll say fuel level is, and then display the fuel level, what it means here. And then it'll say if, so we need to clean this up. This is, we need to move this. So get fuel level. If fuel level is less than or equal to 6, then print getting low on fuel, refueling, select slot 1 and refuel from it. Else, say I see what I need to do. We just need to get rid of this. Don't just put on a new line. So when we start, we want to say, I'm going to print. Gosh, it's so hard to type over this. Oh no. Gosh. Okay, hold on. I'm doing this backwards. We need to move this back up here. Checking fuel level, right? But then this whole section here needs to be removed. And down here, we need a print. Whoa. Print. Oh my gosh, come on. I'm getting nervous. You're all looking at me while I'm coding. I'm just kidding. Okay, fuel level is blank. Fuel level nominal. There we go. And then tree dig. Okay, so we fixed that. We probably were getting that message and I didn't realize it. Okay. So there we go. It helps to go through your code. Alright, tree dig, refuel. So we did that. So the next thing we would do, oh, it gets stuck in a loop here. Aha. I did that wrong. See, so okay, so we restart. Let's start at the very beginning. We call tree dig. Tree dig up here says do this. Then we say we might need to refuel. So then we jump down to refuel. But then we call tree dig again. So then we go back over here, and then it goes to go home. But we can just do, if we went through the refuel process, we can just call go home. we don't need to go through the refuel process again. I mean, the tree dig. I'm surprised that hasn't broken. Oh, well, no, because it already chops the block and then it checks. Okay, regardless, we fixed it. This fixed a bug. Makes things more efficient. The turtle should be a little faster now. Make sure we keep saving. Okay, so now we call go home. What does go home say? Turtle dot down 3 times. And I could do another loop and yada yada yada, but it's just turtle goes down 3 times. You know, that's it. So turtle goes down 3 times, which returns it back to its starting location here, where it's at now. Actually, let's leave this on. Actually, let's hit T so that we can leave it there. So now it goes back home, so it's back at its position now, and then we run replant. Replant says print looking for a sapling to plant. Turtle.select if turtle.get item count. So here we're just looking through our inventory again. If the turtle gets item count that's greater than 0, just if you ever see this, I might just ignore it because that has to be in there for some reason. Your phone died, sorry. Oh, no problem, man. Welcome back again. If I ever glaze over this, if turtle.get item count is greater than 0, just know it just has to be there, because if not, you get some weird error where the turtle says that it's looking for something, a boolean or something. It's weird. So you have to have this. So if item count is greater than 0, and turtle.get item details name. So basically, if the item inside of the inventory that I have selected right now's name is Minecraft oak sapling, then print I have a sapling planting now. Then it runs turtle.place, which just places the block that it has selected, or the item in its inventory that it has selected, which in this case would be an oak sapling. So after it runs that, it says about face. What is about face? 2 left turns, and then it says deposit loot. So now it would have turned twice to be facing this hopper right there. And if we look over here, it then calls deposit loot. Deposit loot is the last step, which is the one we need to look at. So 4x equals 1 to 16. That's go through the inventory slot again. Turtle.select, so select each inventory slot. And if item count's greater than 0, then while turtle.get item count is greater than 1, turtle.drop. So it should. Oh no, will this work? Hold on. This may not work. This may not work the way we want it to. If turtle.item count is greater than 0. No, this will work. This will work. So it checks each inventory slot, and every time it moves to a new inventory slot, it says, is it greater than 0? Yes. Okay, well, here we go. Let's drop the item until the count equals 1. That's right. Left my phone died, sorry. Oh, no problem, man. You're totally fine. We're just going through our code. Also up here, this just clears the terminal and sets the cursor position to 1, so that way we don't have to worry about that. Fuel level equals 1. Ignore that for now. Ignore for now. 12, 14, 20. Alright, boys and girls, I think we're ready to test this out. So I'm going to upload this to my paste bin. Actually, before I do that, let me copy what we have in here. Put it in the xchop copy. So this is the old version. This is the version we're updating from. Xchop copy, yep, save, and then xchop is the one we're updating to. Oh, no. Oh, gosh. That would have been bad. Does this have the ignore for now? Yes, it does. Okay. I'm going to paste that in here. Save changes. Here we go. So, now we need to go to our turtle. We need to exit this. Just exit, don't save it. We need to say delete xchop. So now if we go to programs, there's no longer a program in here called xchop. There's just a bunch of old built-in ones. I need to make a bootable disk. Oh, we'll get into that stuff later. Okay. So we need to say paste bin get this code, which is not public yet, so you won't be able to download this code, unfortunately, yet. But once I get it fixed, I'll probably upload it. Okay, paste bin get that, and we'll call it xchop. There we go. So now if we go to programs, there should be at the bottom xchop. You see it right here. So now we should be able to run xchop. Let's first clear. I don't know why I do that, because the program does it itself anyway. Let's run xchop and see what it does. Looking for a log. Debug. Okay. That's what I wanted to test. Look how fast it can search through its inventory. So this, I don't like this. So it's saying it has no saplings because there's a sapling here. So let me do something real quick. Let's go down to here. This is the where we're getting. See, here's the debug. So we need to clean this up. So this is in the for loop. So we need to make this a little bit cleaner. There's a inspect. Here we go. Oh yeah, this down here. Here's what we need to do. If not error and the block dot name equals Minecraft oak log, then else if no else just say no, we don't need that there. Hold on, where do we need this else, or where do we need this? We need to find a place. So right now what we're trying to fix, if anyone's wondering, is this error, right? So right now we got a debug message popping up and it says I have no saplings. So I mean, obviously it does have saplings, you can see that it does, but because the way of our loop is, so this little thing here, this thing right here, in fact, can we just put this on one line? I'm just going to start putting these on one line because this just says look through turtle inventory. Yeah, that's all it says. It just selects each individual, like that's what it's doing right here. Where you see this little box moving through all of those slots, that's what it's doing in this. That little box moving is where did it go? Is this line of code right here. Okay, look through the turtle inventory. So as it looks, it's gonna say every time that it touches a block or every time it changes, it'll say if the item count is greater than 0 and the item details name is Minecraft oak sapling, then place. Oh, are you kidding me? I literally just forgot an else. Oh, I'm a dingus. I'm surprised no one caught that. We'll just pretend it didn't happen. I was literally just missing an else. Wait, that else is supposed to go somewhere else. Hold on. I think it goes here. Oh no, it does. What? Is that right? See, I don't like that. If else. Why does this else go there? There we go. That's how I like my else's to look. If else, then print. There we go. So if no. This will just continuously loop. I don't like this. But we do need a way to tell the user that, hey, buddy, I don't have a sapling to place down. Turtle item detail. Let's just see what this does. So we'll go in here, terminate the program by holding Control T, and we'll say delete xchop, pastebin.get or pastebin get, and run xchop. Oh my gosh. Yep. So that's even worse. So it's gonna do that. Oh, we missed 1, 2, 3. I think it does that 15 times. The other time it sees that there's a sapling. So let's just get rid of this whole else statement. Yeah, this is not the right place to do this. Somewhere else we need to say, if there's not a single... We can't do that here because it continuously loops. I just realized that. Alright, let's put that in the to-do. To-do, okay. Tell the user there's no saplings in the turtle inventory. Let's copy this. Edit my paste bin. Post. Paste that. Save changes. Save here. Delete. Paste bin get. And xchop. 1 second. Okay. So there we go. It's just gonna keep spamming, looking for log. Which means it's just watching, right? It's waiting for this to become a log. So, let's do this actually. Let's throw 7 saplings into its inventory. Oh wait, that's right. We have extra saplings over here. we're just gonna take this bone meal out for now. Actually, I don't know if that's gonna grow with that like this. I don't know if these pipes are gonna get in the way or not. I feel like it's looking through its inventory even faster now for some reason. Okay. We need bone meal, man. I know where to get bone meal. I know exactly where to get bone meal. We're gonna need a shield. I have a shield down here somewhere. Heavy plated shield. Huh. Magnetic glove equipped shield. At the press of a button. Oh. We have to check this out. I have a ton more wire than I thought, which is awesome. Okay, let's make one of those. How do you make the glove? Oh, what am I doing? Sorry guys, I'm an idiot sometimes. There we go. Okay. Shield. Iron. That's a press of a button. Where's the shield? Wait, do we have to carry it in our offhand? Oh my gosh, if we have to walk around like this. Oh no, let me see. Alright, shield. Oh wait, I bet it does the other shield. Okay, well we'll definitely store this for later. Okay, here we go. Dang, we're getting kind of low on food. Wait, did we put all our cooked potatoes in there? No, we didn't. Heck yeah. We're not low on food at all. Sweet. Alright, here we go. I know exactly where to get some bone meal. So, if we go out here... this thing. Pause the music for a second. Alright, here we go. Oh. Come on. Oh no, get off me. Oh, yes. Okay, how long are we poisoned for? 3 seconds. Ha 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 ha, yes. No, we're fine. We're fine. Skeleton farm. Yes, I do want a skeleton farm so bad. I haven't found a real spawner yet. Only those like fake ones, or like those temporary ones from the Quark mod. Those are the only ones that I found. Oh, I love these little cave things here. Let's see. Let's turn on F7. But we did find that but see, here we go. I knew oh my, oh, we got a creeper head and TNT, so you get special loot from these things. Because they're modded mob spawners, but they're only temporary, so they, you know, blow up after they spawn the special mobs. Uh-oh. Did he see me? But check this out. 20 bone blocks. Alright, let's test it out and see what happens. Ready? Oh no. Hold on. Let's try that again. So there he goes. He's chopping. Let's watch his inventory. Where did you come from? Where did you spawn? Hold on. Are they spawning up here somehow? So I think they see me, and then they walk into the electric. Oh, that was really close, and I'm still low health. And then they walk into the electric wire or something? Okay, so what's going on here? He's being a little weird. Let's get rid of everything except for one single sapling. So he starts by refueling? That's not right. It's like he's doing these in opposite order. You should make a server with all these mods. I've honestly really thought about it. I really have. If I could get, you know, a couple people to play on it, for sure. And I could make sure it worked properly, because I have, you know, things that load chunks, and if someone spams too many chunk loads, then it could crash the server or something. But I definitely thought about it. And if I can, I keep checking to see if there's any new mods coming out, and that's kind of what this like playthrough is. Oh no. Oh, it timed you out. Hold on. Oh, it deletes all the chats too? Why does it do that? Oh crap. Hold on, Luca. Sorry, bud. Hold on. Why does it get rid of all your chats? I really need to fix that. Okay. Try and post the link again. I need to figure out how to add you as like a regular so that way you don't have to worry about that. Hold on 1 second. Let me see if I can fix this. Oh gosh, sorry. Permit. I was going to say I would play on your server if you made one. Yeah, that would be awesome. Link protection. Let me see something. One second. I'm trying to CloudBot. Here we go. Here we go. I can add a regular. Hold on a sec. I'm trying to get this set up so you'll be a regular, which should allow you to like post links and stuff. Okay. Okay, there we go. We'll try that. Okay. I need to fix that. Like, I don't want it to time. Like, hold on. Let me. Let's see. Preferences. Wish there was like a, I don't know if there's a command where I can like just have you set as a regular, but either way. You should be able to post links now. Okay, so the bot is messing up big time somewhere. So it looks like, let me see what he's doing. I need to like, get on his level. Okay, so let's see what he does. Oh no. Oh, he's trying to refuel. Oh no. We have definitely messed up somewhere. Hold on. Dang it, we've broken him. Right now he's trying to refuel though, which is good. There he goes, so he should take that. There he goes, okay. So that's the thing, bud. You're supposed to keep, let's see, does he keep? No, he throws it all in there. Don't throw them all. Dang it, man. I'm reading my code here. 1 second. While fuel levels greater than 0. I hope that your coding works after you fix it. Thank you, man. Me too. Let me share with you guys this. Okay. So something here is jacked up. I think actually don't know what I think. Hold on. So the fuel is definitely an issue. Like if I were to do this and say Lua, oh, Lua, turtle dot, get fuel level. It's at 14. So now if he runs, he'll ignore that, right? Oh gosh. Oh no, okay, we need to exit. X chop, okay. Log detected, beginning dig. Looking for sapling to plant. Why did he plant the sapling? Okay, we got looking for sapling to plant. We got that message. Looking for sapling to plant. So he's doing about face before. Replant. Looking for sapling to plant. Have a sapling planting now, but that's not working. When do you think you're going to stream tomorrow so I can be there? Probably somewhere around 6 p.m. Eastern time. Yeah, probably somewhere around there. Maybe 6:30-ish. It just kind of depends. But yeah, somewhere around there. I get off of work usually around 5, but I pretty much always stay late for some stuff. But so I would say around 6 or 6:30 p.m. Eastern. Unless something comes up. Actually, hold on. What the heck? Hold on just a second. I have a server. Does this still work? Invite invalid. Okay. So that doesn't work anymore. But here, let me give you a link to my Discord channel or Discord server. Here you go. This one's just for you. And you can join the server, and I'll post when I plan to go live, and if something happens, I'll post saying that I'm not going live or whatever. So feel free to join that Discord. It's kind of been dead, but we're definitely gonna use it more. Okay. One second. Oops, sorry. I'm just checking a few things. Sorry. I have to download Discord. Oh, okay. I think you can join also on the web version. But if you want to join that Discord, it's where I'll post whenever I'm going live and things like that. I need to start using it more. I haven't used it in a bit. Back when I was playing like RuneScape and stuff. But because I'm seriously trying to start streaming more again, hopefully this time for good. I'm gonna make sure I use it more. Okay. We are getting the looking for sapling to plant message. But then it's about facing before it plants the sapling. But it's not in the for loop. Let me try this again. Hold on. Log detected. Beginning dig. Looking for sapling to plant. Oh. It's not getting the sapling in time. And we need to fix this. We need it to not cycle its inventory if there's a sapling in front of it. I'm trying to think. Hold on. We need to fix this. I don't like it cycling through its inventory infinitely like this. Oh. This doesn't have to be in the while loop. This just needs to run one time. I have to get some sleep. Bye. Alright, thank you, man. I really do appreciate you stopping by and all your kind words. Like I said, yeah, probably 6:30 tomorrow p.m. Eastern time is when I'll be going live again. And I'll be posting on the Discord if anything changes, or to let you guys know when I'm about to start stream. Thank you again for stopping by, and we'll hopefully see you tomorrow. Okay. This only needs to run one time. And we can do this. Else. Why does that do that? I don't want the else to be there. I want it to be here. We can say print. I don't have a sapling. So that'll run once, and then the while loop will just keep going. Right? Then it'll keep saying, looking for log, looking for log, looking for log. So let's start with this small change. So it'll say, I don't have a sapling for every time that it loops through here. Oh, but then it won't continue to look for a sapling. What if we do this, though? We need 2 while loops. we're gonna do this. See if that does what I think it will. Oh, excuse me. Blah. Oh no, it's gonna count how many iterations it goes through. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. That is insane. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, that does what I thought it was going to, which is good. Let's terminate that because we need to fix this. So this needs to be in the while loop, or it needs to be like in its own while loop. Let's make another while loop. While got it. While not air. Not air and block name equals Minecraft oak sapling. Oh, no. Does not equal oak sapling. Do that. There we go. Right? I don't know. We're getting to a point where I think we might be running into some issues. Alright. I think we just need to get rid of this while loop for now. It's doing nothing but mixing us up. So we're just gonna start with this, right? We're just gonna do this and go from there, because really, we can just place the first sapling for it. Right? Okay, so now it's looking for a log. If we give it a log. Oh no. Oh. I think we need to move that down here. I think that was the problem last time as well. Oh wait, no. That was, maybe. Oh no. Okay, there it goes. Just planted the sapling. It's working. The problem is we need to have all the saplings in one location. Like so. I really think it was that one loop. Oh no. No! It's stuck in that loop again. It's trying to refuel. Oh, then it's calling go home. And then go home is calling replant. Okay, so we need to change this. Oh wait, no. Checking fuel. Get fuel level. It shouldn't do anything, right? Oh wait. No, yeah, shouldn't it just end here? So it's calling refuel. So it's looking for a log. Getting low on fuel, refueling. Getting low on fuel, refueling. Turtle.select, turtle.refuel. That doesn't work. So... Oh! That doesn't work. So it goes through and it skips all of this and then goes back to down here where what it's running. And then that does the same thing. Calls tree.dig, yada yada yada. That's the loop. Okay, we found the loop. Now we've got to cut the cord in the loop. One sec. Okay. So the refuel is broken. So if the fuel level is low. Alright, we need to do this. We need to grab one of these. Grab one of these guys. Get rid of this turtle.select. I said earlier that I didn't want to do coding all night, and here we are. Freaking programming this thing. Nah, that's fine. I'm having fun. Hold on. We're missing 2 ends? Yeah. Gosh, we need to fix that. Oh, wait. Are we missing? Oh, no. We're missing an end down here. Right? No. What? Oh, no. I hate it when I do this. I get the ends mixed up. Ah. We've messed up somewhere. We've messed up somewhere. I hate it when I do this. Okay. This has an end here. The if does not have an end. Oh, it doesn't have an end. So hold on. We need to... Oh wait, no, it has an else. And the else has an end. 4. So we need another end here. Oh my gosh, do we have an extra end? Where is the end? Hold on. Where is it? I'm missing it, I know I am. Where are we missing the end? Missing end at else. Oh. No! That doesn't fix it! Oh, it does actually fix that one. But now we need another end somewhere. Oh, we do need another one here. No. Okay, we end the function there. Where do we end the if? Get rid of the else. Get rid of this end. No, that one's the end to the function. Where does this one end? Tell you what, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get rid of every single end. Okay, we need an end at the function. It's in the function there. Actually, let's let it put the end where it thinks the end should go. Okay. So that one's for the if. Now we need an end for the for, right? So let's move this for back. Actually, move the if forward. Gosh, I always end up doing this, and it makes my code all messy. Ah, okay. So the function can end here. Okay, or that can be the if. Now a function needs an end. Now what? End at else. Oh, do you have to also end in else? Oh, wait, yeah, that's right. I'm dumb. Okay, so then we just need one more end right here. How is that not it? I'm so confused. Wait. Oh, hold on. What? Okay, we paused here. What is messed up? $89.4. Mismatch input end, expecting EOF. What do you mean? Expecting EOF. What do you mean? What do you mean? What is going on here? Is mine. Turtle is mine. What is the problem? What is going on here? Why is this saying end at else? What do you mean it's what? Unexpected symbol end. Can we just get rid of it then? What is this problem? What? What is happening right now? Undo everything. Something is weird. Something's going on. Hold on. Something is weird. Okay. Let's go back to when we simply did that. understand. How is this one right? How? What? Let's copy all of this code. Paste it in there. It works. Why? So what happened? What is happening? I must have hit something. I don't know what. I don't know what I did. And now this isn't broken. What? What? Why did it? Oh, I'm so confused. Look. What is... Old broken. Get out of here. Don't save. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. Close. Close it. Open back up. I'm about to go insane. Okay. There we go. I don't know what we did. It said there was a problem. There wasn't a problem. Now we got X drop. Okay. What we need to do is take this for loop. And look, we'll check to make sure. This for loop, its end is here. Right? See how this line highlights? So we're going to take that. We're going to copy it. We're going to go down here. We're going to have a for loop. Wait, where was this for loop? I've completely lost what I was doing now. Okay. I've totally lost what I was doing. I've lost my track 100%. I apologize. I know that's probably frustrating to watch. I'm so lost right now. 100% lost. We're gonna end it here for tonight. We're just gonna end it here before I mess something up. We're gonna end it there. Save that. We're gonna end Let's chop this tree down. He's stuck in a loop. We're just gonna remember that, okay? We're just gonna remember. We're gonna put a note down, or we'll test it. We'll see it when we put down a log. In fact, if we put down a log, yeah, he's gonna freak out. Okay. Oh no. Oh, he refueled. Oh, he refueled. See, logs need to stay here. Logs need to stay there. If they don't stay there, it's not gonna work. Okay, we're gonna end it there. I'm gonna have to sleep on this one. I've lost it. I've lost it. That VS Code is just freaking me out. Okay, guys, I really do appreciate everyone who stopped by. Thank you for the new follows. I'm hoping to be streaming tomorrow, 6 p.m. Eastern Time, 6 to 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Maybe we'll play some more Minecraft and do some other things. But until then, I'm gonna go rest, take a shower, because I'm losing my mind. Thank you guys seriously so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it, and we'll see you guys next time. Have a good evening.